Close your eyes. Listen. Beneath the traffic noise, beyond your screen's glow, hear that, the war in your mind's battlefield. Right now, 6 assassins move. Feel that cold blade at your ambition's throat. Look at history's graveyard of almost. Geniuses who surrendered. Giants who chose comfort. But you, still breathing, still fighting. Today, we drag these killers into the light. Doubt gnaws like termites. Henry Ford faced it. "A noisy toy," they sneered. His reply thundered, "Whether you think you can or can't, you're right." Fear, the panther in Twilight. Carnegie mortgaged everything. Disney heard Snow White is suicide. That tremor in your chest, not panic. Your power awakening. Distraction, the velvet thief, scrolling, multitasking while purpose starves. Tesla worked 84 hours, deaf to the noisy world. Marie Curie in her freezing shed. Genius is forged in focus. Perfection, the procrastinator's trap. Steve Jobs shipped the iPhone, buggy, flawed, done beats perfect, every time. The Wright brothers flew before wings were perfect. Launch, learn, level up. Comfort, the warm killer. Crooning, rest, you've earned it. J.K. Rowling wrote in cold cafes, growth lives in discomfort. Break the thermostat. Negativity, the inner enemy. Lincoln faced business losses, breakdowns, yet he wrote, "Driven to my knees by conviction, starve negativity. With gratitude, keep a resilience ledger. Stood when knocked down. Rewrite your story. Stand. Now." Feel your power. These killers, paper tigers. You carry Ford's certainty, Curie's focus, forge vision, white hot. Let discipline be your drumbeat. When night whispers, quit, ignite your soul and roar, my time, ice now. This is your call to arms, your mind, the battlefield, your will, the weapon. Smash that like button if you refuse to let these killers win. Subscribe now. This channel is your armory, where we unlock mindsets of legends, tactics that conquer giants. Ring the bell. Never miss your next weapon. The war for your greatness, it starts here. Your legacy begins now.